Hey guys, welcome back to another new videos and LawGuru welcomes you. So today in this video we will be discussing about discharge and acquittal in the criminal procedure code. In the last video we have discussed charge and its content. If you have not watched that video, please go watch that video. I will give the link of that video in the I button. Before starting this video, if you have not subscribed my channel, please go subscribe so that you all get CRPC related videos regularly. So let's start this video. First of all, we will know what is known as discharge or where it is defined. So discharge, the word or the term discharge is defined in section 227 of the Criminal Procedure Code. As per this section, if upon consideration of the record of the case and the documents submitted therewith, and after hearing the submission of the accused and the prosecution on this behalf, if the judge considers that there is not sufficient ground for proceeding against the accused, then in that case the judge shall discharge the accused and record his reason for doing so. Okay, according to this section, after consideration of the record of the case and the documents submitted, and after hearing the submissions of both the sides, that is accused and prosecution, if the judge considers or thinks that there is no sufficient ground for proceeding against the accused, then in that case he shall discharge the accused and record reasons for doing so. Okay, now we will know what is an acquittal. Acquittal is defined in section 232 of the Criminal Procedure Code. This section says, if after evaluating the evidence, verifying the evidence given by the prosecution, the judge considers that there is no evidence that the accused has committed the offense, then in this case or then in that case the judge acquits the accused person under section 232 or release the person under section 232. Okay, now we will know what are the key differences between acquittal and discharge. After hearing both sides and verifying all the evidence, if the judge is of the view or opinion that there is not sufficient evidence against the accused, the basis of which the case may proceed further, then in such a case he or she gives the order or the judge gives the order for discharge and records the reason for such order. But on the other hand, an order for acquittal is given by the court when it reaches the conclusion that there is no strong evidence against the accused that can prove or which can prove the commission of the offense by the accused. Acquittal is a verdict in the criminal case that the accused is not guilty of the offense. Okay. On the other hand, discharge is an order given by the magistrate that there are not enough grounds to lead the proceeding further against the accused, to move the proceeding. There are not sufficient or enough grounds which can lead the proceeding further against the accused. Discharge of the accused takes place prior to the framing of charges. On the other hand, acquittal takes place after the charges are framed against the accused. In case of discharge, fresh proceeding can be started if strong and material evidence is found. Okay, and on the other hand, acquittal restrains the second trial regarding the same offense or a different offense. It may be a different offense considering the same fact. I hope this video or this concept of these two terms, acquittal and discharge, is clear to you. If you have any doubt in this video, please do comment. If you like this video, press the like button, share it, subscribe for more such videos, and for then, stay safe. Thank you.